everybody, and welcome to Photomikes Garage. Okay, I just got a box in the mail from Luxe Auto. I don't even know what's in here. I forget what I ordered. Let's take a look and find out. Okay, let's see what comes in the box. We have a nice microfiber cloth. We have prep fluid. We've got a nice Luxe Auto decal. An applicator card. Very nice. And we have the actual overlays, the tinted overlays for the rear tail lights of the Hellcat. That's one package, and this is the other package. Now, this package contains no instructions, so I'm assuming that you have to go online to find out how to apply the tints to your car. Okay, as you can see, I've got my Luxe Auto tints for my rear taillights for my Hellcat, and I'm going to be installing that today. Okay, the first step I'm going to do, basically this overlay is going to fit right over here and turn the inner part of the tail light all kind of smoky black. Very cool. It'll leave the red the way it is, which I like. Just cover over this area. Okay, the first step is to clean it with some Windex, get some of that dust off. Then we're going to wipe it down with the microfiber cloth. Beautiful. Now, even a job as simple as this one requires at least one can of Monster to get done. Okay, I've done my basic clean. Now I'm going to use this prep. This is a fluid that's specifically designed, probably has alcohol in it, designed to do a perfect clean, get rid of any oils on your taillight. This comes with the package. This is what I'm going to use now. Then I will use this applied microfiber cloth to thoroughly clean any oils or other products, including deep into the crack here. Got to get any dirt or dust out that could be on the edges of the tail lights as well. Now, I do have a heat gun here, and that's simply because, well, it's a nice sunny day, but actually it's very cold up here in Canada. It's almost freezing. So I just want to keep myself warm and keep the Dodge Charger warm, and maybe make these tints a little bit more flexible with just a little bit of heat. Now, Luxe Auto Concepts gives you an extra overlay that you can use for practice. And this one for this car is the driver's side trunk, so that's what I'm going to try and put on first and see how it goes. Okay, I'm just going to take it off its backing. And we'll put that right. Oh, if you make a mistake, you can always take that off. Okay, it's as simple as that. Just like that, the overlay's on. It's amazing. Now I'm going to hit it with the heat gun just so I can sort of bend my edge and get it to adhere on the inside of the trunk. Just a little bit. Okay, honestly, you can see how easy that was. These overlays, if you make a mistake, you can unstick them. You do not use any liquid. They stick on right away. And with a little bit of application of just some slight heat, I was able to bend the edges in and get it to adhere on the inside of the trunk. So there we go. The inside trunk, driver's side is done. Now let's do the outside. Okay, I'm just gonna heat up the outside. This is, let's see, this is driver's side fender. Okay, driver's side fender. As you can see, it's very cold out, and we want this to be a little more flexible, so let's heat it up just a bit. There we go. This gets just a little bit warm. Ooh. Okay, this side is done. Driver's side is done. That was truly easy. You saw how easy that is. The overlay can be repositioned if you got it wrong, but I think I got it pretty good. There you go. Driver's side, passenger side. So now you can see the difference. Right now, I'm loving this. Yeah, Luxe Auto, that's the way to go. Let's do the other side. All right, there you have it. Both sides are done. You got the tint on the inner, the tint on the outer of the tail light. Both tail lights are done. Okay, what do you guys think? Does that look awesome or what? I'm really happy. That couldn't have been simpler. Seriously, that could not have been any simpler. Okay, so now that this is done, do you think I should remove the Dodge lettering from the trunk lid, or should I keep it? A lot of people remove it. I don't know. I love saying that this car is a Dodge. I love the fact that it is a Dodge, actually. So I don't know if I want to remove that or not, but let me know what you think. Should I remove the Dodge lettering? Look at that. That's awesome. Okay, so Luxe Auto definitely killed it. Definitely a great product. As you can see, it looks awesome. I'm very happy with the product. It took me like maybe 5 minutes to install it. It's super easy. Anyone can do it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So I highly recommend Luxe Auto products. All right, let's see what it looks like with the lights on, shall we? Okay, Luxe Auto, definitely the way to go. I'm liking the way it looks. You can still see the brake lights, still see the turn signals. So definitely, if you want to tint your taillights, get Luxe Auto Concepts. So thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time.